Hello guys, this is Aryan. In this video I'll tell you 10 lines essay about Alaudi Sitarama Raju. Number 1. Alaudi Sitarama Raju was an Indian freedom fighter. Number 2. He was born on the 4th of July 1897. Number 3. He earned the title of Mannam Birudu. Number 4. He participated in the Indian independence movement. Number 5. He was a sannyasi and a strong believer in justice. Number 6. He raised his voice against unlawful British colonial rule. Number 7. He had plenty of local people support. Number 8. In 1922, he started the Rampa Rebellion movement. Number 9. Alaudi and his men stormed several police stations and killed many British officers. Number 10. The British police officer shoot Raju by tying him to a tree. So guys, thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, kindly subscribe the channel and stay tuned. Thank you.